So here's another box. Stuff that I got in here. So it's a nice box, just flips open like so. And in here, from this game, I saved the more interesting pieces. So I got these catapults that I can paint up. This skull that I found at Halloween. So I'm kind of working on that one. Some different skulls. Skull and crossbow necklaces. You know, that's the best time is at Halloween to get all your skull stuff, eh? Oh yeah, this is something from that game with all the hexagons. I don't know what you call that. Plastic dragon someone gave me. You know, practice painting on that thing. This is I think this is a Lord of the Rings. Is this Lord of the Rings? No. Oh, some plastic chess set or whatever. Like I think it was $1 for a whole bag of plastic chess pieces. And this would be great. You know, make a city square. You know, that type of thing. And there's a whole whack of those. We got knights and little guys. And, you know, whatever. So I thought those would be cool. You know, to paint up. There's a rook. Yeah, so we got that box.